Hello there. Welcome back. Today we're unpacking whether older women can also cash in by selling foot pics on FeetFinder. You know what? It's a great question because foot pics aren't just for the young crowd. They are for us too. So stay tuned because I will give you some practical and useful tips on making your next feet pics to be the next big hit. Understanding the market. Let's start with the basics. And yes, there is definitely a market for foot pics from older women. People really value the unique charm of mature feet, which might include a touch of grace or a sense of life's journey. It's about the stories they tell and the authenticity they bring. If you've had a journey, then we want to see your feet. On FeetFinder, everyone has a place, no matter what your age is. This platform thrives on diversity and it celebrates the beauty of all foot enthusiasts, and it offers a niche for those who especially admire the seasoned elegance that only years can bring. So here, mature feet aren't just accepted, they are adored, sought after by collectors, worshipped, admired, and appreciated with the depth and character that they represent. How to take mature feet pics that attract buyers, capturing the perfect mature feet picture that tickles buyers' fancy can indeed be an art form. Here are some tested tips to help you take mature feet pictures that attract and enchant your audience. Prepare and groom your feet. You've got to ensure that your feet are well groomed and clean. So trim those toenails, moisturize that skin, and consider a pedicure to enhance the aesthetic appeal. Set the right lighting. Natural light is ideal for creating a soft and flattering ambiance. Experiment with different angles to find the most flattering lighting for your feet. Variety is crucial. Try different angles and perspectives to find the most eye-pleasing shots. Close-up of special areas like toes or arches can add attractive elements. Use props and themes. Incorporate props or themes into your pictures to add depth and interest. Consider using items like jewelry, flowers, or fabric. Showcase nail art and pedicures. Buyers often appreciate well-painted toenails. Mine are pink right now. Experiment with different nail art styles and colors. Maintain your privacy and comfort. Use a protected and private space for your photo shoot to ensure that you feel at ease. Confidence is sexy, so make sure that you are feeling really, really good in your own skin. Pay attention to composition. Frame your feet thoughtfully within the shot. Ensure that you have a visually pleasing composition. Invest in high quality equipment. Use a good quality camera or a smartphone. We all have smartphones, and it will make a substantial difference in the clarity and detail of your pictures. How to get started on FeetFinder. All right, kids, jumping in is easy. Just sign up at FeetFinder.com, get verified, and start snapping pictures. Whether you fancy showing off fancy heels or the natural look of your feet, be true to yourself. Let your feet photos show who you really are. Register and verification reminder. Are you thinking about giving this a go? Awesome. Register at FeetFinder, pass the verification, and you can start uploading your photos right now. There's no limit to how many you can post, so get creative and start sharing your style. How to market your foot photos. Selling photos is more than just taking pictures. It's also about how you market them. As an older woman, you have a unique opportunity to captivate a niche audience on FeetFinder. Use social media platforms like Instagram, X, or Pinterest to showcase your foot photos. When you post, don't just share the images. Tell a story about what goes into capturing those shots. Share insights about your photography process and sprinkle in little personal anecdotes that reflect your rich life experiences. Each post should serve as a bridge, guiding your followers to your FeetFinder profile where they can see more and purchase your exclusive content. By consistently linking back to your FeetFinder profile, you not only increase traffic, but you also build a dedicated audience that appreciates the maturity and depth of your foot photography. Remember, it doesn't matter how old you are, FeetFinder is for everyone. Older women can definitely succeed by selling foot pics. It's all about showing off your unique feet with your confidence and your creativity. Every pair of feet tells a story, including yours. Are you ready to start? Well then head on over to FeetFinder today and turn those foot photos into extra cash. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and visit our website for guides on maximizing your FeetFinder experience. Thank you so much for watching, and go show off those fantastic feet.